EXCX fam, what is going on? We took a quick, I wouldn't even say this is a day trip because this wasn't planned. We just, since it snowed here overnight in Vegas, we decided let's go see if we can find a trail so we can get some cool pictures. And here we are out here on this trail. I think it's called Mustang Loop, but it is beautiful and the views are about to get even more so insane when we turn this corner. We're just out here enjoying life, enjoying a late Christmas, a late winter. This was a pretty snowstorm that happened, but we are glad that it did happen because it is absolutely beautiful. Turn this desert into Aspen or something. Looks like Denver now. Wow, amazing. So we just finished a fantastic little hike. This was an unexpected hike. We didn't really plan to come up here, but we were like, let's see how close we can get to some snow before it melts, which it is starting to melt. So we're so happy we got the chance to come up here. We're definitely gonna come up here again and do some off-roading because there are some off-road trails that take you up to the mountain. We were above the street, the scenic route where you would go to Red Rock. So it's just a wide open area, but we're definitely gonna mark this on the list to come back to. But till next time, we'll see you soon, and hopefully next time you see us, we'll be doing some camping. Take care, guys.